Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to cancel a Shopify app subscription. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. First, look at the very bottom left corner of your admin dashboard screen and click on the settings gear icon. From the left sidebar menu inside the settings window, look down the list and click on apps and sales channels. Here you will see a list of all the apps currently installed on your store. Find the app subscription you want to cancel. On the right-hand side of that apps row, click on the uninstall button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. You can optionally select a reason for why you are removing the app from the drop-down menu. Crucial note, because Shopify apps handle their billing directly through the app's installation status, simply clicking that red uninstall button automatically cancels the subscription and stops any future recurring charges immediately. Once you click uninstall, the app is gone and the subscription is officially canceled. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to cancel a Shopify app subscription. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.